Yo, welcome back, everybody. Now, I sat here and told y'all after don't start your business without these in your 2024, I'm gonna start giving y'all some real game. So I want y'all to stay tuned to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe so I can give you some real game about how to start and run your own trade line business. All right, let's go.
Young boss, we did it. Started from the bottom, now we both found and faded. Young boss, we did it. Women don't swag out, shine and move it. Young boss, we did it. Started from the bottom, now we both found and faded. Young boss, we did it. Women don't swag.
Yo, so in this video, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna walk you through how to start your own trade line business. You can buy and sell trade lines yourself and make yourself some extra money on the side, residual income. You can even start groups so that you can start your own trade line business. You know what I mean? In groups like Telegram, Facebook, any one of the social media groups that you can put a private group in. So look, like, comment, share, subscribe, so that we can keep bringing you uncommon financial literacy knowledge like this. And of course, I'm gonna give you time to do so. So yeah, you check the watch out. I ain't gonna let y'all see this one, but this one a bad one. But take your time. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, so that we can keep bringing you this uncommon financial literacy knowledge to help you leverage your business. I bet. Let's get it. Yo, what's up, everybody? I want to introduce you to my new SKOOL community, where we redefining financial literacy and empowerment. That's why my new SKOOL community, band camp, is here to give you the edge you've been looking for in managing your finances, boosting your credit, and achieving financial independence. Look, in today's fast-paced world, the traditional ways of improving financial health and understanding financial health just ain't enough. In my group, you'll gain financial literacy 2.0, practical and easy to follow strategies to build wealth and grow wealth in ways most people ain't never heard of. Uncommon hacks for financial success. Well, here you'll learn tips and techniques to navigate the financial system smarter, not harder, and save you time and money. Credit repair hacks, most definitely, with proven methods to fix your credit and remove negative items faster than the traditional approach. Quick and easy boosting. So you'll learn how to raise your credit scores using innovative strategies that work faster than outdated systems. I mentioned it simple. To empower you with the tools and knowledge to take control of your financial future. But look, whether you start from scratch, recovering from setbacks, or simply looking to level up, we're here to help you unlock doors to opportunities you never thought were possible. This is not your typical education. This is band camp. So let's get started on your journey to financial freedom and success. Click the link in the bio and join now, man. Yo, so first and foremost, what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through a couple of these trade line buying and selling websites. First, we're going to start with Tradeline Supply. Like it says there, Tradeline made easy. On Tradeline Supply, you can buy trade lines, sell trade lines. You can also set up your affiliate account. This is a list of the trade lines that they have available. You guys can easily add these trade lines to your cart and upsell them to your clients. The list goes on and on and on. I'm not going to go through the full list though. If you want to sell trade lines, you can get a quote easily on this website. Tradeline Genie is also another one that I use. Similar to Tradeline Supply, they have an unlimited supply of trade lines that you can upsell to make your money. By upsell, what I typically mean is You're going to buy the trade lines for the price that they have there, and you're going to sell them to your clients for a couple extra $100 or more to make a profit. So you say you want to make some extra money. Here's how to run the bag up. First, we're going to visit these trade line sites, decide whether you want to sell and or purchase trade lines. If you're selling your own trade line, be sure the address on the trade lines is a virtual or commercial business address and not your home address. Then we're going to list your trade lines for sale or browse for purchase. Make a profit by selling or upselling trade lines for a few $100s. Repeat and scale for more earnings. Sell your trade lines by creating a flyer, texting it to 10 or more contacts, or posting on social media, then track your transactions using a spreadsheet. You can find these trade lines on Tradeline Supply, Tradeline Genie, Tradeline Works, or Personal Trade Lines. And all of these are .com, by the way. So TradelineSupply.com, TradelineGenie.org, TradelineWorks.com, PersonalTradelines.com. By using these strategies, you can start making money with trade lines today. And to make it even sweeter, click the link in the bio so that you can join my private Telegram group. Now listen, attention all money makers. You looking to level up your credit game and cash flow? Join my exclusive private Telegram group where I offer wholesale trade lines at the cheapest prices you'll find anywhere. This is why you need to join, so that you can have access to premium trade lines at unbeatable wholesale rates, insider knowledge to boost your credit or profit from selling trade lines, exclusive deals and strategies only available to group members, direct support and guidance to help you secure the bag. Whether you're building your own credit or looking to flip trade line for a profit, this is your opportunity to win big. Spots aren't limited, but this group is private. So don't miss out on these wholesale prices. Once you're in, you'll see why this is the ultimate money-making community. So I know that was a short video, but I hope you got what you needed from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, so we can keep bringing you this uncommon financial literacy knowledge to help you leverage your business and make extra money on the side, man. We want to see everybody win. Me, I'm Rodney Wilson. I love bringing you this financial literacy. I want to build a financially literate community. Shout out to our sponsors, the Gift for the Ride Corp, a non-profit organization aimed at combating poverty in the community. In the meantime, feel free to hit me in the comments if you have any questions or concerns, or schedule a consultation. I'm going to answer all of your questions. Feel free. It's a free consultation, so schedule it now before I start charging, because I like to make money too. Again, man, thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate you guys joining my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Yo, wake up. Yo, hey, if you like that video, feel free to click the links in the bio. That way you can get a one-on-one mentorship with me in our Bandcamp Building a Business Credit Program. Also, we'll learn plenty more uncommon knowledge by working directly with myself. We also offer free consultations. Go on WilsonFinancialSonsLLC.com or thegiftfortheride.org to schedule your free consultation.